Hi, everyone. Today I will tell you a beautiful story about my daily routine. Listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your English. Hi, my name is Susan. I am a homemaker and I love taking care of my home and family. My day starts early in the morning. As soon as I wake up, I go to the kitchen to prepare a nutritious breakfast for my family. I enjoy cooking pancakes and scrambled eggs. They are my children's favorite. The smell of fresh food fills our home. After breakfast, I help my children get ready for school. I make sure their clothes are neat and their backpacks are packed. It's a busy but happy time. Once they leave for school, I tidy up the house. A clean and organized home feels so peaceful. Keeping our home clean and cozy is important to me. It creates a warm and inviting space for everyone. Around mid-morning, I go to the grocery store. I like to pick fresh fruits, vegetables, and other essentials for the week. I always look for healthy options to keep my family strong. It's a nice chance to get out of the house and see what's new at the market. When I return home, I unpack the groceries and start preparing lunch. I love planning our meals. It's like a creative puzzle. While the food is cooking, I take a moment to water my plants and tend to my small garden. The green leaves and bright flowers make me feel so relaxed. After lunch, I help my kids with their homework. It's a wonderful opportunity to bond with them and support their learning. Seeing them understand new things makes me so proud. We usually spend some time playing games or doing creative activities together. Sometimes we draw, and other times we build things with blocks. This is our special time. In the late afternoon, I start preparing dinner. Cooking is like an art for me. I love trying new recipes and experimenting with different flavors. It's a way to show my love for my family. In the evening, we all sit together at the dinner table. We share stories about our day and enjoy the meal as a family. This is my favorite part of the day. Before bedtime, I make sure my children are tucked in and feel loved. I read them a story and wish them sweet dreams. Once the house is quiet, I take a moment to relax and reflect on my day. I think about all the happy moments we shared. Being a homemaker is a lot of work and it requires a good balance of different tasks, but the happiness of my family makes everything worth it. It's a truly fulfilling role. Now, let's review some vocabulary from the story. The first word is nutritious. Nutritious means providing nourishment, which is good for your health. For example, I prepare a nutritious breakfast for my family. Next is cozy. Cozy means giving a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. For example, keeping our home clean and cozy is important to me. Then we have tend to. Tend to means to take care of something. For example, I take a moment to water my plants and tend to my small garden. Another word is bond. To bond means to form a close relationship with someone. For example, it's a wonderful chance to bond with my kids. Next is experimenting. Experimenting means trying new ideas or methods. For example, I love experimenting with different flavors when I cook. Let's look at fulfilling. Fulfilling means making you feel happy and satisfied. For example, being a homemaker is a truly fulfilling role. Next up, essentials. Essentials are things that are absolutely necessary. For example, I buy essentials like fruits and vegetables for the week. Then, balance. Balance is when different elements are equal or in the correct proportions. For example, this job requires a good balance of different tasks. Next is reflect. To reflect means to think deeply or carefully about something. For example, I take a moment to relax and reflect on my day. And finally, opportunity. Opportunity is a chance to do something. For example, it's a wonderful opportunity to bond with them. Great job. Now it's time for some speaking practice. Let's practice saying some sentences from the story. Please repeat after me. I prepare breakfast every morning. I help my children get ready for school. I enjoy planning meals for my family. We spend time together every evening. I relax and reflect at the end of the day. Great job today. Keep practicing, and your English will improve every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.